everybody, I'm Sunny, and today I'm gonna solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So, in the following 4 days, I'm gonna solve a pyramid, a 3x3, a 4x4, and a Megaminx. And also, after the Megaminx, I am gonna do a video where I solve all of these 5 cubes. But today I'm gonna be solving the 2x2. So, I got a really annoying case here because this corner has to go over here, which is really annoying, and at the same time you have to put this over here. So let's start solving. Oh, done. That was definitely my PB because it was a really lucky scramble. I even got the permutation of the corners done, and also I solved it. That was a really lucky case because I didn't have to permute them. Okay, so in the next video, I'm gonna do the pyramids. Oh yeah, all these cubes are from the Chi company. Don't know how to pronounce. And also, I decided that at the end of each video, I'm going to do a fact about the cube I just solved. So the fact about the 2x2 is, well, this is the only one I thought about, so don't judge, that it's just the corners of a 3x3. Oh yeah, this is a fact for beginners, because if you are already a cuber, you must know that. If you know the 2x2, if you know the 2x2, of course. So, yeah. It can be a bit confusing for beginners because you don't really know where you should put the corners because there are no center pieces. But I recommend you learn the beginner's method for 3x3 before you learn the 2x2. Because the 2x2 method I used was just the beginner's method on a 3x3. So I didn't know it was the exact same method as the 3x3. If I did, I wouldn't actually go on YouTube and learn because I would already know. So that's pretty much it for this video. Bye!